Hello and good morning, grade 4. It's Mr. Yahya, and today we're going to take a new lesson, lesson 20, and we're going to start with the grammar for this lesson. So here in lesson 20, our grammar is very easy. We're going to take abbreviations. And remember, we took abbreviations before last year in grade 3, so it should be kind of easy, okay? So first, let's remember or remind ourselves what an abbreviation is. An abbreviation is what? A short form of a word. Like how when we say MR period for Mr., right? Or DR period for doctor. Okay? Most abbreviations begin with a capital letter and end with a period. Both letters of state name abbreviations are capital letters and no period is used. So if we're talking about a state like California, New York, Texas, all these are states in the United States, right? So if we're going to make an abbreviation for them, both letters will be capital and there's no period. Like here, we have a place which is what? Shoreline WA 93155, right? What does WA here mean? It's an abbreviation for the state of Washington. Okay? WA means Washington. Okay? Anyways, let's take a look over here and see what we can do. Okay? So, here it says, write each group of words. Use an abbreviation for the underlined word or words, okay? So, number 1 we have Shoshone Trading Company. We want an abbreviation for the word company. So, an abbreviation for the word company would be, let's do it over here. So, number 1, we've got company. And an abbreviation for the word company would be CO period. That's an abbreviation for the word company. Okay, let's keep on going. Number 2, Charles Pompey Jr. That's the name of a person. His name is Charles Pompey, and Junior means that his father's name was Charles Pompey as well. So his father is Charles Pompey Sr. and he is Charles Pompey Jr. Okay, so what's the abbreviation for Junior? Well, let's do it over here. Junior will be JR period. Junior. Okay? Let's keep on going. Number 3, we have 92 Mountain Road, which is an address. Okay? So, we have the word road. What's the abbreviation for the word road? We took it last year. It's going to be RD period, road. Alrighty. Let's keep on going. Number 4, Dr. May Dawson. What's the abbreviation for the word doctor? We just talked about it. It's going to be DR period, right? Yes, so we've got doctor will be DR period. Excellent. Number 5. "195 Waiter Street." So we're looking for an abbreviation for the word street. It's going to be what? I think we all know this one. Yep, it's going to be ST period. Great job. Okay, number 6. Mr. Robert Woods, senior. Remember we took junior, now we have senior. And we have Mr. as well. I think we know these, right? So, Mr. What's the abbreviation for the word Mr.? Yeah, it's going to be MR period. Great job. And we also want abbreviation for the word senior, right? So, senior will become, yep, SR period. Remember, junior became JR period. Senior will become SR period, okay? Alrighty. Number 7. 16 Muddy Creek Drive. 16 Muddy Creek Drive. So, drive here means like a street, and its abbreviation is just going to be just like doctor. Same thing. DR period. So we're going to say the drive became DR period. Excellent. Okay. Number 8. Beaver Creek, Oregon. 97004, right? So Oregon here is the name of a state. Okay? So we need to put the abbreviation for Oregon. So the abbreviation of Oregon will be O capital R capital. Okay? Because you said that states have what? Both letters in a state are capital. Like, for example, if we have, let's say, California. California is going to become C-A. C capital, A capital. If we have, for example, Texas, right? So it's going to be T capital, X capital. Alrighty? Let's try New York. In New York we got N capital, Y capital. Let's try New Jersey. We got N capital, J capital. Okay, see how it works? Let's try another one. Let's try, for example, South Dakota maybe, right? So we got South Dakota, another state. It's going to be SD. Let's try North Dakota. North Dakota. It's going to be ND. You get how it works? Alrighty. Great job, guys. So let's move on to our next page. That was page 247. Let's keep on going. Okay. So here it's asking us to abbreviate mailing addresses. So an abbreviation is a short form of a word. Use abbreviations when writing street names and states in a mailing address. Abbreviate words such as road or avenue with a capital letter and end with a period. Write both letters of state name abbreviations with capital letters and do not use periods. See over here we got road, RD period, street, ST period, avenue, AVE period, court, CT period. And if you look at post office, it's a little bit different. Okay? Here in post office, it became what? P period O period. And the P and the O are capital, right? We got boulevard, BLVD period. Okay? So let's do these here in the box. And I'll do the first one together with you over here, okay? So That was page 248, right? Okay. Page 248. Number 1. Let's read the address. We've got Mr. Pedro Saravia. So what can we abbreviate over here? Mr., right? So let's abbreviate Mr. Pedro Saravia. We got Mr. Pedro Saravia. Okay? Let's keep on going. And this is a name, so it might not be in the dictionary. We can just add it. Let's keep on going. We've got over here now the Total Pet Supply Company. So we're going to change only what company and do it to what CO period, right? The Total Pet Supply Company. All right. (9302) Riverside Drive. Yeah, we got the word drive. We can definitely abbreviate that to DR period, right? So we got 9302 Riverside Drive. And we abbreviated it. Okay, and last line of the address is Toledo, Ohio 43601. Okay, we got Toledo, name of a city, and then we got Ohio, a state, so we're going to abbreviate it to OH. And what was the zip code over there? It was 43601. Okay. Got 43601. Okay, so that was the first one. Okay, I did it with you over here. Pretty easy. Okay, and I want you guys to do number 2 and 3 on your own. Okay, and if you don't know the abbreviation for a certain word, like maybe building, lane, Washington, okay, miss, whatever it is, what you could do is you can just use Google, okay, and write the name of the word that you want, and it will pop up over here. Like, for example, Oregon abbreviation. Here, we got it, right? Okay, let's see. You've got over here maybe Washington. You can do the same thing, right? Let's put in Washington abbreviation. And you're going to get it right over here. Washington, okay? This is one abbreviation for it, right? Wash dot, we want this one over here. Okay? Washington State, right? Okay. Let's say you want to abbreviate the word building. Okay? Here we go. Same thing. BLDG is a written abbreviation for building. Okay? So, if you don't know the abbreviation for a word, you can use Google to help you out. Okay? So, finish up this as homework. Okay? And let's see if we have anything left over here. Okay, and we got over here abbreviations for time and measurement. Excellent. That's page 249. Okay. So, let's move on to page 249. And we got over here, an abbreviation is a short form of a word, just like we know. The abbreviations for days and month begin with a capital letter and end with a period. Some other abbreviations for time and measurement begin with a lowercase letter and end with a period. Like for example, time, we got Wednesday, Wed, August 26th. Okay? Or measurement, 165 miles and 4 yards. Okay? So, write these group of words using correct abbreviations. Number one, we got 8,000 feet. And if you don't know the abbreviation for a word, just like we did over here, so we want to abbreviate the word what? Feet, right? So what we can do is, let's write over here in Google, feet abbreviation. And what are we going to get? FT, right? That's the abbreviation for a foot or for feet, the measurement. Okay? So, go to the first one. You got number 1, 8,000 FT, right? Feet. Great job. Okay. Let's see, we got 1 hour and 45 minutes. Let's find out hours and minutes. Okay? Hour abbreviation, right? It's going to be what? HRS. And a minute is MIN. Oh, so it did both for us. That's great. Alrighty. So we're going to say 1 hour, right? And we got 45 min, right? More minutes. Okay, number 3. Tuesday, January 7th, 1806. So we're looking for Tuesday, right? Let's see. Let's do over here in Google abbreviation of days of the week. Bring it over here, right? Sunday became sun and a period. Monday, mon and a period, right? You can see them? Yeah. Tuesday, either going to be what? T-U-E period or T-U-E-S period. Either one is correct, okay? So you guys can take a screenshot of that, Google it yourself, and have them for your own reference. Be mighty helpful. Okay. So, Tuesday, January 7th, 1806. So we're going to have Tuesday become Tues like this and a period. And then we got January, it's going to be Jan, period. Okay? Great job. So, I'll let you do from 5 to 10 on your own. Okay? Look up the abbreviations for each word and write them down over here on the lines, and we'll correct them next week, okay, in your next grammar session. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope it was easy to understand, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.